Hi guys, in this video let me show you how to create your own GIF for Discord. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So first let's create a GIF itself. There are a lot of ways to create GIF, different graphic editors, video editors, but I will show you this one web service which is named Giphy, giphy.com. So go to this website, create an account and log in to create GIFs. Now click on create. Let's create GIF from video. I'll select video from your computer. This cute cat is okay for me. Now you can trim your video and choose which part of the video you want to use for GIF. Now click continue to create. Let's accept cookies. Wait for upload. Once the video is uploaded, you can add text, you can add stickers, select from this collection, you can add filters, you can crop your GIF, and once you're finished, click continue to upload. And just wait for uploading. When upload is finished, you will see this screen. Here set visibility to public, optionally add tags, source URL, add to your collection and so on. Now click upload to Giphy, and after your GIF is uploaded, just click on copy link. Now minimize your browser and you can paste this link in any text channel or in a direct message in Discord. So let's paste the link. Hit enter. Wait for a while. I think so. This GIF is too large. Don't create too large GIFs to not overload your chats. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.